Hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about threat intelligence. So threat intelligence definition. Threat intelligence is the process of gathering, analyzing and sharing information about potential or existing threats to an organization's security. It involves identifying, categorizing and criticizing threats as well as providing context and recommendation for mitigation. Threat intelligence detail. Type of threat intelligence. Tactical focuses on technical details of threats. Operational examines the tactics, techniques, and procedure of threats. Strategic look at the motivations, goals, and capabilities of threat actors. Threat intelligence sources. Open source intelligence, OSNIT, human intelligence, HUMINT, signals intelligence, malware analysis, network traffic analysis. Threat intelligence lifecycle, planning and direction, correction, analysis, dimension, and feedback. The use of threat intelligence, incident response, vulnerability management, risk assessment, security awareness, strategic planning. Threat intelligence benefit enhanced association awareness, improved incident response, better decision making, increased efficiency, reduced risk. Threat intelligence challenges, information overload, data quality issues, integration with existing tools, scalability issues, talent acquisitions and retention. Threat intelligence help organizations stay ahead of the emerging threats, make informed decisions, and optimize their security postures. Here are some details additional about the threat intelligence. Threat intelligence fields, structured threat information extraction, trusted automated exchange of intelligence or information, open indicator of compromises, malware information sharing platform, threat intelligence tools, threat intelligence platform, security information and events, management system SIEM, incident response and platform, vulnerability management tools, malware analysis sandboxes, threat intelligence techniques, traffic analysis and network traffic analysis, endpoint monitoring, malware reverse engineering, social media monitoring, dark web monitoring. Threat intelligence best practices. Continuously monitor and update threat intelligence. Validate and verify threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence with existing security tools. Train personnel on threat intelligence. Share threat intelligence with relevant stakeholders. Threat intelligence for specific industries. Finance and banking, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, e-government and defense, energy and utility. Threat intelligence for specific threats, ransomware, phishing and social engineering, advanced persistent threats, zero-day exploits, IoT threats. Threat intelligence is constantly evolving field and staying up to date with the latest techniques, tools and best practices is crucial for effective threat intelligence. The importance of threat intelligence can be seen in several aspects. Enhanced situational awareness. Threat intelligence provides context and understanding of the threat landscape, enabling organizations to make informed decisions. Improved incident response. Threat intelligence helps organizations respond to incidents more effectively, reducing the impact of attack. Better decision making. Threat intelligence informs strategic decision, enabling organizations to prioritize resource and optimize security investment. Increased efficiency. Threat intelligence automates and streamlines security processes, reducing manual efforts and improving productivity. Reduce risk. Threat intelligence identifies and mitigates potential threats, reducing the risk of attacks and data breaches. Compliance and regulatory requirement. Threat intelligence helps organizations meet compliance and regulatory requirement, avoiding legal and financial consequences. Competitive advantage. An organization with mature threat intelligence capabilities can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a leadership position. Cost saving. Threat intelligence reduces the cost associated with the incident response, remediations, and downtime. Improve security posture. Threat intelligence enable organizations to proactively strengthen their security posture, reducing vulnerabilities and weakness. staying ahead of the emerging threats. Threat intelligence help organizations stay ahead of emerging threats, reducing the risk of being got by new attacks. The importance of threat intelligence lies in its ability to provide actionable insights, enabling organizations to make informed decisions, optimize security investment, and reduce the risk.